Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. So in today's video, I am taking you along with me throughout the week and sharing with you all of the fun updates that they have accomplished this week on our new construction home build here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So super fun. They have definitely accomplished quite a bit this week, and it's even becoming more of a reality. So lots of fun stuff to update you all on and share with you, and we're just still so excited. And I also wanted to mention that if you are new here, then welcome. My name is Felicia. I am a full-time working mom with a total of 3 kiddos. And on my channel, you're gonna find a variety of content, but mostly shop with me, hauls, some vlogs, and most recently, I am sharing with you guys the journey of building a new home in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, might as well do that and join us here on this journey, because it's kind of a fun place to be, and really it's a bleep show half the time, so never a dull moment. So hopefully you have joined us by now, and if not, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and go ahead and join us. So with all of that said, let's get into the video and I will catch you guys at the end. Hey y'all, I just pulled up in front of our land, and it would appear that there has been some stuff going on. So it doesn't look like a lot, but there's definitely been some progress. So I'm gonna jump out and show you guys, and yeah, here we go. And we have forms, yay! So we actually have kind of like a visual of kind of the base of the foundation, I guess you could say. So let's walk it, shall we? There's our dirt. But this would be the like front door probably. So let's walk from what will be kind of the front door to the left here. So again, I apologize for the mower guy, but so like front door, probably over in this area, study. And this looks so much smaller than like actual reality is gonna be, so I just have to remind myself of that. But anyways, so study, bedroom all the way to the corner here. This is the corner, obviously, up front of the house. Sorry, it's like super hard to kind of walk through here. So this will still be a bedroom. Woo! Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Bathroom for that bedroom. Then master closet area, master bathroom. And then as we walk down here, this will be the master, like this will all be the master bedroom. And these forms, I'm pretty sure, in fact I know, yeah, it has to, includes the back patio. So this will be the back corner of the master. Kind of gives you perspective from the back corner. Window seat. I'll just walk around here. So this will be obviously the back corner of the master. This will all be patio. Then the house. Oh, it's still super muddy. So this will be like our backyard. Our side yard goes clear over, way over there. So this will be kind of where the pool is gonna be, out here. So back patio, back of the house. That's all that. Sorry about the wind. This will be like where the patio kind of L's, but then up into here will be where like our second living, like game room, and then second living space starts, which goes all the way down here. So this will be like our living room, second kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. And again, it always just looks so much smaller than true reality. But so then we'll walk around the back of the corner which is the extension. All the way, all the way. Woo! Bumps. So extension. And then there's property line. So this is what it looks like in Texas when they put forms in to build to put your foundation down, which is a lot different than Illinois and Minnesota and stuff like that, and Wyoming for the most part. But so now we're coming into like the game room area here. That'll still be kind of back patio, kitchen. This is garage, like storage space, I think, garage. Garage. Kind of more of a view. And we're back to the front corner here. So then this window will be for the garage. Sorry, it's kind of muddy. It's really muddy actually. So garage, laundry room, bedroom, and then our front yard. So anyways, we have a house form. We have the form of a house. Let's put it that way. We have the forms to put the foundation to our house down. So yay, so excited. All right, so they definitely moved some dirt. We just barely missed the excavator, guys, but our awesome sales gal, Jen, got us some footage, so I'll insert that here. It's not very long, just a couple clips of them excavating. So they trenched out or excavated basically for the utilities. So there's the water main, is what it looks like. So yay, we'll have access to city water. And then they took our dirt pile here. Sorry about the wind as usual. And they went through and kind of put it around so that they could, I'm sure it'll be so that they can mix it in when they go through and backfill. So, windy. So we still have a lot of trenches, but they went through and dug all that out. And then I'll show you, it looks like they put, the utility box or the electrical box here. Oh, they totally did, yep. So, that's interesting. So it's our, I guess that'll, yeah, that's probably where the meter goes, right? I don't know, I've never seen it, like the electrical box look like that before, which is conduit. I don't know if that's temporary. Oh, it's not connected yet, obviously. But yeah, huh. I guess that probably stays there. I just haven't seen it like that before. But, super cool. We're getting the power hookup. Super excited for that. But yeah, moving dirt. Kind of crazy. It'll be interesting to kind of see what all they put here. Like what goes here, this big hole. Anyway, super fun. As always, I'm like standing somewhat in the middle of our house. Oh, yeah. All right, well that's our Friday update. Hey everybody, so it is Sunday, fun day. It is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day. And I'm just here at the land. So I didn't come out here yesterday because our salesperson or friend, Jen, had drove by and sent me a picture and said that all was quiet on the home front. And so I didn't come out, and now I'm kind of kicking myself that I didn't, because they definitely were out here doing some stuff, moving and grooving and getting some stuff done. So again, I apologize about the wind. I apologize every time, but I'll keep apologizing. But anyways, I can't believe it, but we have plumbing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Actually, I kind of can, because I could tell the other day that they were getting ready for it, but I didn't think that they were gonna do as much as they did yesterday. And Jen sent me a picture at like 10:30, 11 o'clock. So they must have come either late yesterday afternoon or today. It's later in the day now. And yeah, so we have plumbing. So I'm gonna flip you guys around and show you. I'll actually start out here and just kind of show you where stuff is coming in and what things look like, and kind of, you know, how they're connecting everything and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna flip you guys around here. All right, so this is the water main, which I showed you guys the other day. So there's that. As you can see, they've got it, that's our main water line. So it runs obviously up here. There's like a big mound of dirt, so it's kind of hard to see. There's Dakota. But it runs all the way from obviously the front yard up to here. So all the way, it's kind of crazy that that's like the one hose that's like the main water line for our house. It's kind of crazy. So they have these here, and I think that's just to prepare for the electrical. So it runs up to there. This will be kind of where like the water meter and stuff is, I think, where the water main comes into the house. So that's the garage. And then, yeah, they've got all of this where I showed you kind of where the trenches and this stuff was dug out the other day. They've got it all, burying it all. So it's kind of crazy, because up north, like in Illinois and Minnesota, they dig way down and then they pour your foundation, and the foundation is supposed to be the freeze line. And so all this stuff like is pretty much in the ceiling of your basement for the most part. So down here it's kind of interesting to see, you know, that they dig down and it all goes under the foundation. So that's gonna be a bathroom. So I'm gonna assume that's the plumbing for the bathroom there. This is maybe master bathroom area stuff. I'm not quite sure. But I'm thinking, well, I don't know, because this is the master bedroom, so I'm not quite sure how that all is going to go. I would think this would be master bathroom stuff, but our master bedroom is a little bit bigger than just right here, so I don't know what all that is. Sorry, I'm all shaking as I'm trying to walk through here. But then as you can see, that goes to the outside there. So on the other side of our master, that'll be like where some of our utility stuff is, obviously. But yeah, we've got plumbing. It's kind of crazy. All right, guys. So as you will notice, I'm in the same spot for the outro. So I had completely forgot to do an intro and an outro for this video. So you're getting both of them with all of the background noise at the same time. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. You had a couple laughs, maybe learned a couple things, or really truly just enjoyed it. And like I said, if you haven't yet joined us on this crazy fun journey and our bleep show, then go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below so you can join us in all of the fun. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss an upload or miss a moment. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.